This time on Planets and Alien Worlds, a world made of fire. Imagine a planet so close to its star that a year lasts less than 12 hours. A world where the surface is hotter than molten lava and rock itself begins to vaporize. This is Toei 561b, an ultra-hot rocky planet that challenges everything we thought we knew about how planets form and survive. And the deeper we look, the stranger it gets. What is Toei 561b? Toei 561b is what scientists call an ultra-short period planet, meaning it orbits its star incredibly fast. Located about 280 light-years away, it completes a full orbit in just 10.8 hours. That means while you're watching this video, it has already raced around its star, but speed is only the beginning of what makes this planet extraordinary. A planet older than Earth. Here's the twist: Toei 561b is one of the oldest rocky planets ever discovered. Scientists estimate it is over 10 billion years old, more than twice the age of Earth. It formed when the universe itself was still young, when heavy elements were rare, which raises a powerful question. How did a rocky planet form so early in cosmic history? Built in a different universe? Early in the universe, there weren't many heavy elements like iron or silicon, the building blocks of rocky planets. Yet, somehow Toei 561b formed anyway. This suggests that planet formation may have started much earlier than we thought. It's like finding a skyscraper built before the invention of steel. The star it orbits. Toei 561b circles a star that's slightly smaller than our Sun, but far more ancient. This star has lived through billions of years of cosmic change, and yet this tiny planet clings to it, in an orbit so tight it almost seems impossible. But being this close comes at a devastating cost. A surface of liquid rock. Temperatures on Toei 561b can exceed 3,000 degrees, 600 degrees. That's hot enough to melt metal and turn solid rock into flowing magma. There are no oceans, no atmosphere as we know it, just a glowing, hellish surface constantly bombarded by intense stellar radiation. A planet that might be evaporating. At such extreme temperatures, scientists believe the planet may actually be losing material into space. Rock could be vaporizing, forming a thin cloud of mineral gas around the planet. Imagine mountains slowly turning into vapor and drifting away. Toei 561b may be shrinking, piece by piece. Gravity versus destruction. Despite all this, the planet still exists. Its gravity is strong enough to hold itself together under intense heat and radiation. This balance between survival and destruction is incredibly delicate, and it makes Toei 561b one of the most extreme endurance tests in the universe. A day that never changes. Because it's so close to its star, Toei 561b is likely tidally locked. One side always faces the star, while the other remains in darkness. But unlike Earth, both sides are still unimaginably hot. There is no cool side, just different levels of extreme. Could anything survive there?
No, not life as we know it. There's no breathable atmosphere, no liquid water, and no stable surface conditions. But studying planets like this helps scientists understand the limits of habitability. Sometimes, the most hostile worlds teach us the most about life.
How was it discovered? Toei 561b was discovered using NASA's TESS, Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite. It detects tiny dips in a star's brightness when a planet passes in front of it. Even from hundreds of light years away, we can detect these subtle signals. It's like spotting a grain of dust crossing a distant spotlight. Why this planet matters? Toei 561b isn't just another exoplanet. It rewrites timelines. It shows that rocky planets formed much earlier than expected. And that means the ingredients for Earth-like worlds may have existed long before our solar system formed. In a way, it hints that the universe has been building planets for billions of years longer than we imagined. A glimpse into the past. When we look at Toei 561b, we're looking back in time. We're seeing a planet that formed when galaxies were still evolving. It's a fossil of the early universe, still burning bright today, a survivor of cosmic history. What if Earth were like Toei 561b? If Earth were placed that close to the Sun, oceans would boil away instantly, the atmosphere would be stripped into space, and the surface would glow like a furnace, a lifeless world of molten rock. The bigger mystery? Planets like Toei 561b raise even bigger questions. How many ancient rocky worlds are out there? Could some of them have formed under conditions we don't yet understand? And what does that mean for the search for life in the universe? The universe is stranger than we think. Every time we discover a planet like this, it challenges our assumptions. The universe doesn't follow simple rules, it constantly surprises us. 2I561b is proof that even the harshest environments can still create something remarkable, and we're only just beginning to uncover these hidden worlds. If a planet this extreme can exist, imagine what else is out here waiting to be discovered. Somewhere in the vast darkness, there are worlds even stranger than this one. So if this blew your mind, don't stop here. There are more planets and alien worlds on this channel just waiting for you, and trust me, the next one might be even more unbelievable.